I've now been asked to give the constitutional instruments of independence of Fiji to the Prime Minister.
"42 years ago, Fiji closed the curtain over its colonial status and welcomed independence with great optimism and pride. On Nation's Business this week, we look at how our nation has grown, the struggles we've faced, and the path we've taken to become an emerging leader not only on the regional, but also on the international stage. In October 1970, Fiji joined a host of other independent nations, and work soon begun to steer the country on its own 2 feet. The people of Fiji began a new journey as a free nation, inspired by the message and vision of Fiji's first Prime Minister, Ratu Sir Kamasese Mara.
We are all greatly honored that you have been able to visit us on this occasion. We welcome you as a member of the royal family, and we welcome you for yourself. It is exactly 106 years ago today that Ratu Sir Rudhakumbau and the chiefs of Fiji ceded these islands to Her Majesty Queen Victoria. And it is exactly 10 years ago when I received from His Royal Highness the Prince of Wales the instrument of Fiji's independence. When I accepted the constitutional instrument, I said that nothing that is happening today can change the feelings of our people of Fiji for the Crown, the United Kingdom and its people. We have been too closely associated over the years, in good times and bad.
No one can ever question the devotion Fijians have for Fiji. With Fiji gaining its independence from Great Britain on 10th October 1970, national pride has been in the minds and hearts of everyone.
Isa urna kuila ni Peritania na rarali wibiti. Roto wakatarkina na matambani ni sotia. Also ring na wana machkina na ato mai kina na rabu mai Peritania mai sulia na Charter of Independence wana Turana Prime Minister. Bini kasauru toka na walisar sara kito todo ko na Leone Legislative Council na ngona. Doa na kau singa ni ngila dabaro tigani sa tega wu me wu kuila na Union Jack me uruso wa maru te lako bata na kenai wakatangi wakadiru lama singa ni do be kito na len mosalao ona rota ga singa ni do be kito na len mosalao me singa ni turu na wel matana mo ndo na ngona wakadiru lama ngona talanga na wala itu ni tuktuk be mo na keda mai muri ni sama idaba na na ve lutati na ramna ronandi na tu pertani
na Fiji Day talanga na ngone liu ki mi dau na makatuma bi koro mi kuma manal bakbak mi kuma mi sisibi me kes bi sisibi stere so tele mi marta keso mi kuma na makoma mi kuma mi sotakida ya ni kuasa senga sa seni nakachiko na may sotay na bakbak bat sa tungay na korna makatuna sona songo. Hip hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip hip! Hooray!
Fiji's challenge was to forge a nation from cultural and ethnic diversity and follow the path towards development and prosperity. 42 years on, how far have we come to achieving this? Fijians are proud of their achievements, either in the international, regional, or local arena, making a name for the country. From a young nation, we've grown to share the responsibilities of the globe with other nations.
And now we dedicate this flag, symbol of our new nation and its bonds of unity and purpose. Grant that this flag may ever be a reminder of the bonds that unite us and the duty of loyalty we owe. With a steadfast endeavor, may it seek the good of all, and may justice and mercy ever dwell amongst us. Hear now our prayer, and enlighten our minds by the truth that set us free from fear. Amen.
Positioning ourselves as an emerging regional and international player, Fiji is now regarded as a country to consult on matters concerning the international community. From peacekeeping duties to international cooperation, Fijians should be proud of the achievements we made to push our agenda across to the international community. With Fiji now represented in just about every continent, the interests of all Fijians can well and truly be strengthened. "42 years on, and Fiji is still standing stronger than ever. We've seen our economy and our nation grow hand in hand. However, the course that Fiji has taken has never been easy. At most times, Fiji's strength and patience has been tested once too often. There has been a great shift towards promoting a Fiji that is truly inclusive and built on the foundations of democracy and unity. We've had to make enormous sacrifices, but we're still growing, and we've learnt to put the needs of others before ourselves. That's why the Fijian government introduced the People's Charter, a living document which outlines the vision not only of this current government, but it reflects what we wanted when we decided to become independent. That same document protects the interests of Fijians first. It ensures that our nation continues to grow. More importantly, government now recognizes that we cannot achieve real unity without acknowledging that we first and foremost are all Fijians. All citizens of Fiji, regardless of race or ethnic background, can now truly call themselves Fijians, something that other citizens who have contributed to our nation's growth were deprived of.
Our flag represented something to say that we are not colony anymore. We are free people to do what we want to do. So it's a big difference from that day till today. I mean, like today, if you talk about today, this year, we have given the identification of all the people living in Fiji as the Fijians. That's the most important thing. It's so dear to me that we are recognized as one. Not we are being asked whether you're Indian descendant or Fijian descendant or Chinese descendant. We are called Fijian, and that's a beautiful thing to have.
In creating the campaign, Put Up a Flag and Put Down a Lovo, that's all about people coming together, whether it be having a lovo or having a barbecue or just sharing food, but getting people thinking about what you're going to do for Fiji Day.
I look at the educational curriculum where we have never found. I, being a teacher previously, had always been telling my students that until we get this thing enshrined into our blood that we love our country, we will never have that patriotism. And that has to start from the kindergarten level. You know, I'm surprised that the Ministry of Education has never been able to think on this line to say that we need to love our country. Every child, every teacher should be telling the child, we love our country. And it starts there. Once we start loving our country, then only we move forward.
As nations around the world take pride in celebrating what is a momentous occasion, Fiji is now at a time when we as citizens can be proud of our accomplishments as a nation.
For me, it's a great day. I can vividly remember 10th of October 1970 here at Albert Park in Suva when the royal family, Prince Charles, was here at that time, and I happened to be a member of the committee celebrating the independence. The lowering of the Union Jack at that time and the Fiji flag being hoisted gave us a great satisfaction. I could remember a lot of people were crying for the simple reason we were more or less getting to stand on our own feet.
And while government is spearheading the National Celebration Program, let us raise a flag in pride as we strive towards building a stronger and united Fiji.
Fiji Day means like family gathering and spend time with the family.
Happy Independence Day, Fiji!
The present government making everybody understand that we are all part of this great country and which has a very unique character.
When we come together this year to celebrate our day, we're not only celebrating our independence. Fiji Day is a time to celebrate our nation's past achievements, and it's a time to embrace our nation's future. Our men and women in uniform who have given their lives in peacekeeping duties, our farmers, factory workers, business leaders who have developed the country, our artists, our sporting heroes, who have been a part of developing our nation, and our family. We are a great country, rich in heritage and unlimited in our possibilities. We as Fijians should be deeply proud of our country, our culture, and our heritage.
It's a celebration day. We must celebrate, and we must celebrate it with dignity.
Ono nunguna no mambaleta na Fiji Day mbaleta ukila ni kabinaka. Ukila ni kabinaka mbaleta kuchi kente meki na lewe ni tamata todo ko vici menda mai dua vata menda mai vikilai na dindui tamata dana lak mai kina dana mai chukopata dana mai vikilai ya ukona kau ukila tukina ni binaka kena Fiji Day mbaleta ni ninda mai vikilai kina.
To me personally, the 10th of October means how far Fiji has come during the colonial era and the development so far in terms of how we have come, and you can see it for yourself. changes that have taken place, big changes in terms of development.
Pavinaka matin tungo na mengaravina Fiji Day na signikua. Sabaka nini tu ni nando watikio na balimbali ni Fiji Day. Kanda sanaya na ngono.
I would like to celebrate Fiji Day because I'm proud to be a Fijian.
Happy Fiji Day!
Let's make this coming Fiji Day one of unity and celebration for all Fijians. Wear your colors and fly your flags, Fiji. Wherever you are on October 10th, let's get together and commemorate our unique island nation. Gather friends and family from all around. Let's enjoy the day together. Cook, laugh, eat. Lakumai, Kaliao, Fiji. Put up a flag, put down a lovo on October 10th.
In Suva, there is, down at Albert Park, there's a march through the streets in Suva, and then we have Albert Park where there will be the military, and there's military parades, and there's the 21-gun salute, and then there's entertainment, so, please come down and join in there. There's celebrations happening in Levuka as well, and we have a reenactment of the Independence Day, and there's a lot of tradition and cultural shows happening that day. Now, in Lambasa and Lautoka, they're actually celebrating on Tuesday the 9th. Similar march through the streets, entertainment, and you'll be able to see in the papers, obviously, there's more details. But if it's Tuesday, so we've got a celebration that starts on Tuesday and some days and Wednesday and the others. So I'm encouraging people to come down, come and get involved and have a good day, have some fun. And if you can't, then do something at home that marks the day and make it special. But get together, invite the neighbours over, invite family over. Just get together and celebrate Fiji Day. We've got a lot to celebrate in this country.